Hey guys, alright, today we got today we got a slight risk down here. It's weather alert. I mean, it's actually updating a slight risk actually from day 2 and not day 1. It's ain't what it's update, but yeah, some basic zero. So why it's update over me. Anyways, you guys got a slight risk now. It has any strength and it's also like look, it's gonna lose. I'm thinking road was slow. I don't like this loading. Over tornado here. We got here's a 5% chance of tornado now. Where's a 2? Now it's 5. Sorry about that. She says probability of a tornado within 25 miles of a point. Basically, yeah, you have a better chance, 5% chance. You probably get a couple tornadoes and 5% chance. But basically, there's a slight risk coming from couple cities here, so you know what city and. If you don't see your city, on the site of Mars, you know how and you understand. But I mean, if you if you don't see a city like you see a time, you can pause the video. Counties, you county, come on, stop moving. There we go. Now in the states, pause it in the states. It's just at evening, so we got we see the same driver right now. Afternoon. Basically, hold on. Your population has personally, I won't watch that from spam. There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across the deep south to mid-Atlantic states. Summary: organized severe thunderstorms are possible today. The early evening across the abandoned portion of the southeast are damaging gusts. The primary threat is threat. Threat. More isolated thunderstorms also possible across parts of the Mid-Atlantic region. So basically, I'm saying like storms are pretty bad in this type of weather, especially in my opinion, tornado. When 15% chance, you see a probability of a damaging thunderstorm winds or wind gusts 15 knots or higher within 25 miles of a point. The hash area, I'm not gonna read the hash area. Hail, just 5% chance. The probability of 1-inch diameter of hail or larger within 25 miles of a point. Basically, we're talking like more, like more with like severe weather on today. So I'm being responsive, but yeah, basically, but the thing is, I'm supposed to update something. I'm gonna stay here and let it update. Here we go. Update. Alright, here's a map. Anyway, whatever here. It's like risk. Okay. Here's 20 for you. Cars and hydrogen chance. One, two, three is actually winds in the border and or not. Wind. Hail. The county area positive or some kind of region. I don't know what this is. Some kind of region. It moves all the time. This is part of some kind of region. These are storms developed because they added this. I don't know. This is recently added. Any reservations? I don't want to update. Actually, I have an update on that. Upgrade. I'll see. It's not much crap on this one. So, this change here. I cut here until makes two one piece until it's like updates. It's basically this time like this is military time. Is the time. This is basically this is time where I died right here. So that right here, at their place. It's just actually like I'm well, 5 or 6 o'clock now. We're open. But I'm at update now, guys. Let's see what it is. I still have moved it around to a tornado. That's just 2% chance, so I guess you guys are fine. 15, 5 broke into 2 pieces. Let's look what it says though, how to change it. Now, why is having tornadoes now, but it wasn't like that before? It must have, they did change that then. I know I pressed it, now it's not like I was around the thing, and then it broke it. Now I didn't go to the weird thing again. I'm hoping to see this again because it changed. Here's the cities. What's only 2% chance, so I know they're all in there. Hail risk. Counties. Come on, counties. Probably highway headstone been talking about. That's Indian reservation. Come on. Indian reservations. Certain interstates. Why didn't do interstates first? Come on, why don't you get on that? There's the interstates. So I think right now we're time to travel because oh my gosh. I would be on time to travel, but this is like slight thunderstorms at Central Gulf Coast to the Carolinas. Some scattered damaging winds, a couple brief tornadoes, and marginally severe hail will be possible across the southeast states through the evening. I'll copy into the description. This is a new version of it. Basically, it's fine.